So based on what I just said, how many factors are going to be in the numerator? How many factors are going to be in the denominator? Josh. Right. Plus, minus, minus. So you know that the x is going to be in the numerator, x plus 1 will be in the denominator, x minus 1 will be in the denominator. What about the 2 that's multiplying? Yeah, I mean, you might think, well, let's distribute the 2. Okay, you could do that. It wouldn't hurt anything. But you don't have to. You could just simplify what's inside the brackets here first and then worry about the 2. It doesn't matter. In any case, you get all 3 of these are going to have an exponent of 2. Right? They have to. Let me keep the 2 outside. 2 times the ln of what goes in the numerator? X. And what goes in the denominator? X plus 1 times x minus 1. Okay? Then, yeah, you're going to take this part here, right? And raise it all to the second power. So that will be ln of x over x plus 1 times x minus 1. And that's squared. Now, there's a problem kind of like this in the homework, which is by far the one that I got the most questions about last class. And when they wrote the answer, they wrote of the similar problem. If I would do the same thing on this one here, they would have written it like this. ln of x squared over x squared minus 1 squared. Where did that come from? Where? Yeah, I mean, the x plus 1 times x minus 1 is x squared minus 1. Right? That's all that's going on here, right? They're just replacing this with what it equals, and then they move the squared onto both. So don't be confused if you see something like that, because you will. You will. They're just using the difference of square. This is the factoring of the difference of squares. That's the difference of squares. Yeah. If you would have to, if you didn't do this, then you definitely have to go ln of x squared over x plus 1 squared, x minus 1 squared. You got to do one or the other. Right? We need to move that 2 in. Other than that,